Welcome to Avocado Academy.
Action verbs.
What am I doing?
What am I doing? I am reading.
I am reading.
What am I doing? I am running.
I am running.
What am I doing? I am playing soccer.
I am playing soccer.
What am I doing? I am singing.
I am singing. What am I doing? I am dancing.
I am dancing.
What am I doing? I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
What am I doing? I am thinking.
I am thinking.
What am I doing? I am laughing.
I am laughing.
What am I doing? I am pointing.
I am pointing.
What am I doing? I am flying a kite.
I am flying a kite.
What am I doing? I am crying.
I am crying.
What am I doing? I am building a sandcastle.
I am building a sandcastle. What am I doing? I am walking.
I am walking.
What am I doing? I am skateboarding.
I am skateboarding.
What am I doing? I am watching television.
I am watching television.
What am I doing? I am shopping.
I am shopping.
What am I doing? I am sitting.
I am sitting.
What am I doing? I am standing.
I am standing. What am I doing? I am teaching.
I am teaching.
What am I doing? I am sledding.
I am sledding.
What am I doing? I am pulling a sled.
I am pulling a sled. What am I doing? I am watering plants.
I am watering plants.
What am I doing? I am jumping.
I am jumping.
What am I doing? I am eating.
I am eating.
What am I doing? I am talking.
I am talking.
What am I doing? I am listening.
I am listening.
What am I doing? I am writing.
I am writing. What am I doing? I am cleaning.
I am cleaning.
What am I doing? I am sweeping.
I am sweeping.
What am I doing? I am mopping.
I am mopping.
What am I doing? I am washing the dishes.
I am washing the dishes.
What am I doing? I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
What am I doing? I am smiling.
I am smiling. What am I doing? I am frowning.
I am frowning.
What am I doing? I am smirking.
I am smirking.
What am I doing? I am growing taller.
I am growing taller.
What am I doing? I am cooking.
I am cooking.
What am I doing? I am swimming.
I am swimming.
What am I doing? I am exercising.
I am exercising.
What am I doing? I am throwing away trash.
I am throwing away trash.
What am I doing? I am climbing.
I am climbing.
What am I doing? I am finishing a race.
I am finishing a race.
What am I doing? I am riding a bike.
I am riding a bike.
What am I doing? I am studying.
I am studying.
What am I doing? I am smelling.
I am smelling. What am I doing? I am tasting.
I am tasting.
What am I doing? I am looking.
I am looking.
What am I doing? I am drinking.
I am drinking.
What am I doing? I am opening a door. I am closing a door.
I am opening a door. I am closing a door.
What am I doing? I am repairing a car.
I am repairing a car. Thank you. Great job. Subscribe to join the Growing Avocado Academy.